Welcome back to Auto Cars, your ultimate destination for everything on four wheels. If you're passionate about innovation, design, and automotive history, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss our latest updates. Now let's dive into today's spotlight, the return of an icon, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. The Volkswagen Beetle is back, and this time it's reimagined for the future. With its rich legacy that spans over 80 years, the Beetle has always stood for simplicity, charm, and character. But in 2025, it's getting a modern twist that blends nostalgia with next-gen technology. The new Beetle isn't just a car, it's a statement of heritage reborn in the age of electric mobility. Yes, you heard that right. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is fully electric. Volkswagen is continuing its push toward electrification, and the Beetle now rides on the same MEB platform used by the ID4 and ID3. This means we're looking at an EV that's not only stylish but also efficient and practical. Expect a range of around 250 to 300 miles on a full charge, depending on the trim level. And thanks to fast charging capabilities, you can go from 10 to 80% in just under 30 minutes. Design-wise, the 2025 Beetle keeps its instantly recognizable, rounded silhouette, but everything's been sharpened and refined for the modern era. The front-end sports slim LED headlights, a sleek new grille design, and smoother body lines that improve aerodynamics without losing that classic Beetle soul. It's available in a range of vibrant retro-inspired colors that pay homage to its past while embracing the future. Inside, the cabin is a blend of minimalism and tech-savvy features. A fully digital cockpit, a floating central infotainment screen, and ambient lighting give it a futuristic vibe. But there are thoughtful retro touches too, like the round air vents and a flower vase-inspired design detail near the dashboard, a subtle nod to the classic Beetle's quirky charm. It's compact but comfortable, and the rear seats fold, down to give you surprisingly generous cargo space. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, the electric motor offers zippy performance. With an estimated 200 horsepower and instant torque, the 2025 Beetle offers a spirited drive perfect for city cruising and weekend road trips alike. It may be quiet, but the performance is anything but boring. Volkswagen is also integrating its latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking, making the Beetle as smart as it is stylish. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle isn't just a comeback, it's a transformation. It respects its roots while boldly embracing what lies ahead. Whether you loved the Beetle of the past or you're meeting it for the first time, this version is built to impress. Thanks for watching Auto Cars. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next one.